This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Right, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. We see that the Cyberster is a fast car. According to spec, it's supposed to do it in 3.2 seconds. I'm not sure why I didn't get it. Maybe because we had winter tire, or maybe the traction was not optimal. But very close to Model 3 performance in speed. But look here, Model 3 performance weighs a lot less, around 150 kilograms less than the Cyberster. And according to at least the peak power, the Model 3 has higher peak power. So I suspect that the Cyberster has a flat curve, maybe different torque numbers, but that's probably how it can achieve 3.4 seconds. So it is a fast car, no doubt about it. You see here, we have now the 12th line here, at least. It is right on top there with the fastest cars ever tested. When it comes to noise, on the other hand, that's not so great because, you know, it is a roadster. So 68.5 decibel average compared to some other MG. We have MG5 here, but that's more like a station wagon, right? And then further up here, you also have the MG4. Let me see. There, X-Power. That's also like a performance-ish car. And also 66 decibel. Maybe we can compare against Model 3 long-range high. Well, there's some performance here, yeah, with 20-inch wheels. 65. So, you know, but these are not roadsters. So one car we could compare against is, if we go to the summer result here, is actually the Fiat 500e, the new generation from Stellantis. But that was with summer tire, but 17, not really that low profile, but you see 71 decibel. So usually winter result can be around 1 to 2 decibel lower, but you see that this Fiat 500e would then end up at around 69 or 70 decibel, and then go back to here again. The Cyberster was at least 60, yeah, so still noisy, but maybe not the noisiest car out there. So there you guys have it. It is just what it is. It is blistering fast, fun to drive, but not that quiet. So that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.